Say bye-bye, Traveltown.
Bye-bye, children.
Bye-bye, trains.
Bye-bye, children.
Bye-bye, children. Bye-bye, stroller. Bye-bye, car.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Henry, can you say, chugga, 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 choo-choo?
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Yeah, that was an awesome one.
Mommy, good night.
Max, can you say chugga, 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 choo-choo?
I will help him. Choo-choo. I will help him.
You'll show him?
Yeah. Choo-choo.
Oh, thank you for showing him how to chugga, chugga, choo-choo.
I think when he said we were going to Chicago, he meant like we're going in a loop.
Oh, is this the whole ride?
That's what it looks like.
Oh!
That's what he meant when we're going to Chicago. We're doing the loop.
Look, they're having a picnic. You want to have a picnic too?
Yeah, you can make reservations.
Sit your bottom down, please, Henry. Thank you.
Yeah, it looked like there were all sorts of private parties going on.
Max.
I mean, look at the pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. What is that? Bugandia? What is that?
I don't know.
That's all.
Oh, I guess we get to go twice.
Here we go around again. The wheels on the train go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round, all the way to school.
The Henry on the train goes round and round, round and round, round and No?
How about the whistle on the train goes choo choo choo, choo choo choo,
It's great
choo
at
choo choo.
the Quaker meeting. They sing. There's some of the words they don't sing. They won't sing. They say the mommy's on the train and the daddy's on the train and say I love you. And Rosa Parks on, or the bus. The driver on the bus says move on back, move on back, move on back. Rosa Parks on the bus says I won't go.
Oh, that's great.
So now it's really jarring where I hear anybody else sing it and they don't sing. But yeah, they won't say,
And now